to have fun with mathematics. Okay, it is based on Fibonacci. So can you explain to me, have you understood the series? Series is simple. You take one number, okay, add the preceding number to it and get the next number. This is the series. So when you take 1 and 1, you add 1 and get 2. Then 2, you add to 1 and get 3. You get 3 plus 2, 5. Now, when I say playing with numbers, do you think that we can also make a series like this? Why should we? We have thanked Fibonacci enough. Now let us make our own series.
Oh, wow, that would be cool.
We have thanked him. Thank you very much, Mr. Fibonacci, for giving us this series. But we also have some brains here. Let us make our own series. So we will take one number and then we will make a series like this. Is there any harm in it? We take 12, okay? And then we take 24, two numbers. We add 12 and 24, get 36. Right?
What is after 36?
12 and 24, we get 36. Then 36, we add to 24 and get 60.
60.
And 60, we add to 36, go 96.
And so on.
96, we add to 60, go to 156. Interested?
And then you can go to 10.
And this series, you name after yourself. Like I will call it Bhagwan Swarup series. You will call it?
I'll call it
Yeah.
the Fanny Sheet.
Which series you will call it?
T10LD.
He will call it T10LD series. He has a company of his own, imaginary company, that is T10LD. So he will call it T10LD. Call it Smita series, you call it your father's name, whatever. Make a series like this. Can you do it? You don't use additions now. Use a calculator and make 10 numbers like this. 10. And name this a series. We are going to have fun with mathematics. I am doing all this exercise and encouraging you to look for patterns and start playing with numbers. Take any number, not 12 or 24. Say, we will make a series. Okay, Avi, you start making your series. I will start making my series. Go and bring 2 papers.
I made of 13.
10 numbers. 10 numbers you make. You make 10 numbers. I will make series like I have Excel in front of me. I will use Excel. I don't tire my brains. And you should never shy away using the calculator. Okay, so we will make 34. I choose 34. You tell me which number you want. Okay.
13.
We will call it Bhagwan Shashwat series. You
I
say
made
13?
13.
Okay, 13. The other number. Abhi, give me another number. An integer. Huh? 18. Why don't we go in for 3 series? 3 digits?
Oh, yes.
Okay, we go for 134 and 180. 180 what? 180 what? 182. Okay. You make own your series. I will make this series. Now 134, 182. 134, 182. 134, 182. 316. 316 plus 182 is 498. 498 plus 316 is 814. 814 plus 498. Avi, get the calculator. My brain is going to fail my. Okay, 1312 plus 814.
Where's the calculator?
2126.
And the papers?
Now 2126. 2126 plus 1312 is 3438. 348 plus 2126. How much it comes to? 5, 5, 6, 4. Yes, now it comes 9002. I have 10 numbers here, and what I call is, I will call it live curious series.
No doubt. The handwriting is bad.
Look what my son is saying. Your handwriting is bad. Arey, look at my calculations. These are super
Yeah.
calculations.
Yes, no doubt.
That's okay.
Yes, no doubt.
So now comes
Okay, everybody is
Yes,
ready with
no
your
doubt.
calculations? 10 digits. Okay, now how long will it take you? Listen carefully. All these 10 numbers, I want sum here.
What?
Sum of all these 10 numbers. How much time you will take using calculator, or if I take away your calculator, how long you will take to add all these numbers?
I did mine without a calculator.
10 seconds.
How much time? 10 seconds? Go do it. Come on. You should be able
Or
to do
10
it.
minutes.
But I will give you, first you add all of this to all 10 and get the answer. Do it, no problem. Use calculator, use computer, use Excel, whatever. And what do you think? I have calculated these additions. No, I made an Excel sheet. Huh? I will share the screenshot with you.
Sir, can you show that paper?
I
I
did-
did my own, so I didn't write that one down.
No problem. You just get the idea. Next time you do it yourself. Okay.
I can make a video on my channel that how to use Excel.
Yes, I do it in Excel. So I am not cheating. If I say that I did all this mentally, no, I did not do all this mentally. I have an Excel sheet open here. You see here, this is an Excel sheet that I am using. Then you will say,
Yes.
give me 10
Excel sheet दिखाओ, Excel sheet दिखाओ काका कैसे आ रही है?
बस Excel sheet दिसने. अच्छा ये
So I did
नहीं,
not
Excel
add
sheet को
anything,
दिखाओ ना.
don't worry.
ये रही Excel sheet. Okay, अच्छी है.
Okay, now you are done. Now when you add everything together, this is the answer you get. You see here, my series is this. You are able to see the series. 132 plus 182, it comes 316. Then when I add 182 and 316, I get 498. This 316 and 498, I get 814. Everything together, all 10 numbers, you get 23,386. Now, if we add everything together, it is taking time. Now, I will give you a trick. Simply take your 7th number. You see here, 7. I am highlighting it. 7th number in your series. And the sequence you just made, it is called generalized Fibonacci sequence. You remember the Fibonacci sequence we made? 1, 1, 3, 5, 8. It is a generalized Fibonacci sequence. You simply take your 7th number. You made 10 numbers. Take 7th number.
Not that.
See, I am taking 7th number here. 7th. This one. 7th number. See, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Take 7th number, multiply it with 11. This is the sum of your whole series. Don't have to keep counting everything. Take seventh number, multiply by 7. 2126. In my case, it is 2126, right? So I will take 2126 multiply. Oh, sorry, multiply by 11. Oh, sorry. Seventh number multiply by 11. The answer is this.
But what if we have more than 10 numbers?
No, only 10. Take only 10. 23,386 is the answer. Take your answer. Take your seventh digit and check. Seventh digit multiplied by 11, it is the sum of whole series. Okay, I will make another series for you because it is the same. Give me another number, Avi. Give me another 4 numbers. Say I am using 360, 40, 56 and use 654. Okay, now I have another series. 356 plus 654 is equal to 1010. 1010 plus this is equal to next number, and my seventh digit is 7012. Okay, now 7012 multiplied by 11, it will be the total of all series. Now I say 7012 multiply 11. 77,132.
There you go. The answer is correct there.
I have a
700.
Yes, go ahead.
How come, like, when you multiply it by 11, that happens? Like, what does 11 signify?
The significance of 11, that we have to prove algebraically. Then we have to bring in algebra here. We have to collect, but right now you can have fun with it. You can make your friends crazy. You can say, I had, some superpower in the night. I have calculations. I can do faster than your computer. They will go crazy because they will pick up a calculator and imagine adding all these numbers: 356, 654, 1010, 1664, 2674, 4338, everything, and bringing 77,132. They will go crazy. They will say, thank you very much, मेरी माँ, please मुझे माफ करो, कल आऊंगा मैं. She would not be able to answer it. But you, just by multiplying 11, you will give answer in 3 seconds. Now you will say, how I will multiply by 11? Multiplying 11 with 7012 is not an easy job. It is easy because 7012 you take, put a 0, 70,120, and then multiply, add 1 time more. That is easy, right? But this series, take a big number. Why take 1000? Let us take 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we take this? Now we take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us make a series now. Add all these 10 numbers. Give me the answer. Here is the answer. 23 million. Oh, what is this? Read this number. Can anybody read this? This number.
I can read it.
Yes, go ahead.
23
21,954.
Correct.
Wow.
Correct. But imagine somebody trying to add all these numbers and you taking the 7th number. Yes. Multiplying it with 11. So I multiply it with 11 here. You see, you can learn Excel. Excel is in everybody's computer. If you want, I can take a class on how to use Excel for basic arithmetic operations. I have to multiply it with this. I will simply write is equal to, okay? Then I will choose this cell and multiply with 11. See, and it's so easy. Enter. Here is your answer. and I want to compare if both are together. So I would take this minus this is equal to 0. That means my answer is right. So Excel is a beautiful trick. So you see, take any two numbers, make a general Fibonacci sequence out of it, and the sum of first 10 numbers would be 7th number multiplied by 11. They will crown you as mathematics king in your society.
Can you quickly recap how to make a number series?
Yes, I will give you one trick every day. Don't worry. So now, would you be interested in knowing how to multiply it quickly by 11?
Yes.